Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Ain't been working on this in a few days now. More than a few. So we're back. My back's feeling a little bit better, so let's get back started with this, guys. Now, today, try to put this carpet in. I'm gonna try. You see? So, but first, gotta vacuum some of this dust up out of here. This dirt. First, we gotta get some of this dirt out of here. And things like that. Vacuum this dust. Keep forgetting I can do this. Ain't the strongest. Getting a lot of the dirt up. Yeah. Make sure we get all the loose dirt up. Yeah. You see? Alright. That is good enough for that. Good enough. Good enough for me. Oh, now I gotta vacuum where I've been sitting at. Hate to say, but I'm tired of it already. I'm not doing good as I used to. Man, this wouldn't be no problem for me. Now, it's but gotta get it done. This is a big job, though. I'm not gonna do any more of these, I don't think. Only time I might do another one of these if I really want it bad. Something I've been looking for a while. It's the only time I would do it. It's a lot of work. Taking every part of the car, inside, outside, the engine bay, interior, everything's too much. So I don't think I'm gonna be doing much more of these. I think maybe light work. Like if I had a little engine fire or something like that, I'll do that. Or fender bender. I can handle that. But doing something this big now, all this work, no. This might be one of the last. Of course, I got the Chevy Equinox I gotta finish, and that one is much easier than this one. That's the type of job I like. I haven't. Wait a minute, I think I got a few videos of the Equinox. I think so. On this channel, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think I got a few of them more here. Not a lot. Because I haven't really did a lot with that, so I think I got a few videos over here. I know I got a few videos showing it. I know I have it in a few of my videos, but working on it, I think I got 1 or 2 videos working on the radiator, putting the radiator in on that truck. I think so. Not sure though. So don't quote me on that. But go check it out. I forgot the name of the title. I forgot the title of the video, but I think I got a few up on there. So we're gonna be working on that real soon. Not real soon, but soon. Now I think, oh man, I think I vacuumed too soon. We gotta put this thing, gotta screw this stuff down. I think I vacuumed too soon. Ugh. Yeah, I'm dreading. Get it out of here. Let's see, how did that go? I gotta get my tools, don't I? I gotta get my tools. Yeah, because all the freaking screws in this thing about gone. Let's see. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. This pedal. No, this one goes around under that like that. Let's see. We can get this stuff. We can at least get it hand bolted in. Hand tightened, not bolted, hand tightened in. Yeah. Like that. Okay. Yeah. There's one screw. Let's put the other one in. Good enough for right now. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this thing right here. This emergency brakes. I think that goes up to like this. I'm pretty sure it does. And these 2 screws back here tighten it down. Okay. Yeah, that's how it goes. Let's put that. Wait a minute before we do that. I want to put this thing, emergency brakes. The emergency brake wire. I think I still can pull that through though, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. I think I can pull that through. I don't think that's gonna be a problem. I don't think it will, but I don't know. Come on, go on, you stupid screw. Just hand tighten. Nothing crazy. Unless your hand can tighten as good as a pair of pliers. I doubt that. I'm pretty sure somebody out here can tighten these things good with their hands, but I am not that person. I am not that person. Ugh. Yeah, that's how it goes, baby. Now this over here. Okay, I'm pretty sure that goes like that. You see? Yeah. I'm pretty sure of that. Now. Okay. This thing. Does it go in the inside like this? I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. I'm willing to bet that's how that goes. Like this on the inside. That would be kind of stupid if it could go on the outside like that, right? Yeah. Pretty sure. I don't remember though, but I'm common sense. Common sense. Common sense ain't too common for a lot of people though, but I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure that's how it goes. Pretty sure that's how it goes. Just like that. Okay. I don't think we can put the brake pedal in here yet because I still got to put that booster and everything in. I got to do that. I don't have to do it before I put the dash in, but I'm going to do it before I put the dash in because that's going to be a pain in the butt to do once you put that dash in. Once we get that dash in, that's gonna be horrible. That's gonna be terrible. Talking about back pain, it'll be very severe. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Okay. Ain't no way. Let's see. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. Let me get a, oh God, messing this car up. Something I'm gonna have to repair later. See you back in the yard. The yard. Peace. Let's get a picture. Get a picture of the cord. There we go. Peace.